going on, guys? I decided my car is boring. I guess it's like 500 horsepower, but still looks like a normal car. So I'm gonna start tearing it apart. Update, I have no idea what I'm doing. Took a bunch of stuff off. Seems unnecessary, so weight reduction. I removed the fenders, so obviously the fender liners, the inner wheel well liners came with it. But I'm thinking I kind of want to keep this one, the rear one, because there's kind of a lot of wires, and that's where I think like the main loom goes through the firewall there. So I'm gonna like put this up here and maybe just trim off the excess that's hanging out here and keep the rest and do that on both sides. So now I've got my minimalist fender liner here. So now it'll just protect the important wires and lines that are right behind there. Next, I'm planning to do some cleanup of this whole, I guess, under fender area, and just get all the dirt I can off of it. And then I want to tape up a bunch of stuff because I want to actually paint all this black. You can see there's a lot of areas where there's paint coming off. This is actually the rail that was bent. So in this area, you can still see it's like bent, and that's where a lot of paint came off. So I just want to clean up everything and then put like a nice coat of paint on all of this. So now I got everything cleaned up and also masked everything that I didn't want to get much paint on. I'm not planning to put a whole lot of paint on, so I didn't need to over mask. So what I'm planning to use is this rust reformer on anything that had a little bit of rust on it and anything that's bare metal. And then after that, I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum high performance enamel. Use this on a lot of things like my Jeep roof rack. And it's held up actually, I think over 2 years now, and no issues at all. All right, so here it is after paint, and I just removed all the masking. As you can see, it looks a lot better than it did before. It was kind of silver, dirty, scratch, some rust. So this cleaned it up really well. I also painted the top of these, I don't even know what you call these, rails, top rails next to the engine. Did that on both sides. And yeah, that looks really good too. So now I can put the wheels back on and see how it looks.